In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get mobile transfer tickets on Stubhub. To get started, open the Stubhub website or the Stubhub app, whichever you normally use. Once you're there, sign into the same account you used when you bought the tickets. This part is important because if you log into a different account, your order may not appear and it can make it seem like the tickets are missing when they really are not. After you sign in, go to your orders section or My Tickets. From there, find the specific ticket order you want to check. Open that order and review the delivery status carefully. This will tell you whether your tickets are still being processed or if they are ready for you to accept. If the tickets are available, StubHub will usually show instructions explaining what you need to do next. So before moving on, take a moment to read that status message clearly. Next, check your email inbox. Start with the email from StubHub that confirms your purchase, since that helps verify the order details. After that, look for a separate email from the original ticket provider, such as Ticketmaster or Access. The second email is usually the one that contains the actual transfer invitation for your mobile tickets. If you do not see it in your main inbox, check your spam or junk folder as well, because transfer emails can sometimes end up there by mistake. Once you find the transfer email, open it and look for a button that says Accept Tickets or Accept Transfer. Tap or click that option to continue. You may be asked to sign in to the original ticket provider's account. If you do not already have an account with that provider, you will need to create one before the transfer can be completed. Make sure you finish the full transfer process and do not stop halfway through, because the tickets usually will not appear until the acceptance is fully completed. After that, open the original ticket provider's app or website, not StubHub. Sign into your account there, then go to My Events or My Tickets. This is where your transferred tickets should appear once the process is complete. At that point, your tickets should be ready to use on the day of the event. A helpful final tip is to complete this process as soon as the transfer becomes available, instead of waiting until the last minute. That gives you time to fix anything if an email is delayed or if you accidentally sign into the wrong account. Once your tickets show up in the provider's account, you're all set.